Hey everyone, thank you for coming to the Radio Horror YouTube channel. Here we have the next unboxing video from the Lady Death universe. I believe this is, if I remember correctly, La Muerta. I believe this is the new La Muerta book. Yes, it is. So here we have the amazing La Muerta comic with a... It looks to be like the Punisher, I guess? Yeah, I guess that's what they're going for. It's supposed to be like the Punisher. I was kind of actually hoping I was going to get one of the other covers, but that's okay. I like the really stylized covers, the really artsy kind of covers. So the homage covers are not my... I'm not a big fan of them. Alright. So we got this right here. We got the bag of swag to go through. Alright, so we got this Lady Death little sticker. Sworn to the Black, Coffin Comics. We have a new magnet, which is going to go over there in my mini fridge. We have the La Muerta metal card, and this is like really serious metal. Let's see, we have the La Muerta holographic card with the extendedly large chest you can see on that thing. Wow. We have the little trading cards. This one is done by... Maybe we can focus. Sora Shung. I think these were also probably covers to the comic as well. Richard Ortiz. Colette Turner. I wonder if any relation to Michael Turner. The late, great Michael Turner. Genevieve Brumal. I do love how even on the stickers they do put the artist on there, which is fantastic. Let's see. This one is Rowan Cruz. It's also really hard because it's really tiny to read. Another giant Lady Death sticker, or Coffin Comics sticker. Another La Muerta pin. Giant La Muerta sticker. Revenge. The best revenge is revenge. It's a postcard. La Muerta bookmark. The very sexy La Muerta. This is La Muerta Retribution. Artworks by Jamie Tydell. She's got a really cool look to her. Another calendar. I hope this well. This is for 2019. That's kind of cool. A In Death She Lives La Muerta bumper sticker. Another coupon for Lady Death at the coupon for Lady Death store. Couple pieces of art cards. Really love that one. Now, I haven't read the comic book yet, so I'm not entirely sure what the plot is yet. Do not disturb or face my wrath, says La Muerta. And, oh, I like this one a lot, actually. Art on this is by Joel Gomez. So, and then, of course, we got the letter by... Oh, and then we have a Lady Death, La Muerta... Sorry, I keep saying Lady Death because it's the Lady Death, universe. La Muerta guitar pick. And then, as always, we get a letter from Brian Pulido, which is also going to feature... it also talks about some of the upcoming Kickstarters that are going to be happening, so that's pretty cool. And the next year, 2019, is the 25th anniversary of Lady Death, so... probably got a bunch of great stuff going on. But there it is. Here, I'll open the comic book, and you can see the interiors of the comic. And the pages are just like sticking together due to static link. Written by Mike McLean and illustrated by Joel Gomez, who you saw. And, of course, colors by CC De La Cruz, who did a lot of coloring on some of the other stuff that you saw. So there you go. That is the La Muerta, the new La Muerta comic book that just came out. It was part of the Kickstarter La Muerta Retribution, excuse me. It is kind of a little bit cool. I prefer like the covers that have like this kind of artwork on them. The homage covers have been hit or miss for me. But you can go to, I think, Coffin Comics and Lady Death's merchandising store and order a copy of this. Order from your local retailer. Thanks, everyone. Check out the rest of the videos here on the Radio of Horror YouTube channel. Like, subscribe, and comment. Thanks.